this light panel doesn't have any screws in it. We need to fix this problem right now, and I can use my screwdriver to fix it. We need to use my Phillips head screwdriver because it has the same pattern as these screws. But you always have to ask an adult's permission before using tools. All right, let's go in to fix this. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to fix a light panel like an electrician. And remember guys, you always have to ask an adult's permission before using tools.